draw a sweet, fluffy bluebird. Let's grab our pencils and start drawing. This tiny bird is full of charm with their bright feathers and cheerful chirps. Bluebirds aren't actually blue. Their feathers reflect light to make them look blue. They are known for their happy songs and beautiful melodies. If you could name this little bird, what name would you pick? Something like Sky or Flappy? Bluebirds love eating insects and berries. Cute bird opened its eyes. Look! The cute bird is having a great time exploring its environment. Male bluebirds are usually more brightly colored than females. Amazing! Our bluebird looks adorable. Now let's bring it to life with some bright colors. Grab your crayons or markers and let's make it colorful and cheerful. They often build their nests in hollow tree trunks or cozy birdhouses. Do you think our bluebird should be perched on a branch or flying in the sky? Bluebirds symbolize happiness and good luck in many cultures. Please like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button so you don't miss any new videos. see birds and sometimes visit gardens to find food. Bluebirds can fly at speeds up to 25 miles per hour. Their eggs are a pale blue color, just like their feathers. Bluebirds are excellent at balancing on thin branches, even in the wind. How does our bird look so far? What's your favorite part, its wings or its beak? Good job, Pinky Artist! Our bluebird looks so sweet and full of personality. Show our artwork and share it with someone who loves birds. They'll be so impressed. Thank you for drawing with me, and I'll see you next time.